Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI, whiteboards, and exploring the top choices for revolutionizing teaching in 2023. As education continues to embrace digital transformation, AI whiteboards have emerged as powerful tools that enhance collaboration, engagement, and interaction. So, let's explore the leading AI whiteboards that are reshaping the way we teach and learn. 1. Smartboard 3000X. Let's kick off our list with the Smartboard 3000X, a cutting-edge AI whiteboard that seamlessly integrates with the latest educational technology. Its intuitive interface empowers teachers to create immersive and interactive lessons, making it an ideal choice for both remote and in-person learning environments. The Smartboard 3000X utilizes AI algorithms to adapt to specific student needs, offering personalized learning experiences that promote student engagement and knowledge retention. 2. Google Jamboard, a collaborative AI whiteboard designed by tech giant Google. Jamboard brings the power of Google's vast ecosystem to the classroom, allowing teachers and students to brainstorm, sketch, and ideate together effortlessly. With real-time collaboration features, handwriting recognition, and seamless integration with Google Drive, Classroom, and other G Suite tools, Jamboard enhances creativity and facilitates meaningful interactions among educators and students. 3. Microsoft Surface Hub 2S. Microsoft Surface Hub 2S takes productivity and collaboration to new heights. Combining the functionality of a digital whiteboard, video conferencing tool, and presentation platform, it provides educators with a powerful toolset to deliver immersive lessons. With intelligent inking, multi-touch display, and integration with popular Microsoft software like Teams and OneNote, this AI whiteboard offers a seamless teaching experience that promotes active participation and knowledge sharing. 4. Samsung Flip 3. Samsung Flip 3 is a versatile and portable AI whiteboard that suits both classroom and remote teaching environments. Its innovative touchscreen technology enables teachers to annotate and share content effortlessly, encouraging student engagement and interaction. The Flip 3 can be used in horizontal and vertical orientations, transforming into a digital canvas for brainstorming sessions, collaborative problem solving, and visual presentations. With its convenience and user-friendly features, the Samsung Flip 3 is a great asset for modern educators. 5. Miro. Last but certainly not least, we have Miro, a cloud-based collaborative whiteboard that leverages AI to foster creativity and teamwork. Miro enables teachers and students to work collectively on projects, brainstorm ideas, and build mind maps in a virtual space. Its seamless integration with platforms like Zoom and Slack allows for real-time collaboration, making it ideal for both synchronous and asynchronous learning. Miro's AI-driven features, such as intelligent sticky notes and automated task assignments, empower educators to create engaging and visually appealing lessons effortlessly. As we look toward the future of education, AI whiteboards continue to redefine the boundaries of traditional teaching methods. The Smartboard 3000X, Google Jamboard, Microsoft Surface Hub 2S, Samsung Flip 3, and Miro represent the pinnacle of AI whiteboard technology in 2023. By fostering collaboration, interactivity, and adaptability, these remarkable tools enhance the teaching and learning experience, preparing students for success in our rapidly evolving digital world. So, why not embrace the possibilities and join us in exploring the exciting realm of AI whiteboards? Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more stuff.